All right, guys. So our taxi driver suggested something. He said, if you're here, you gotta ride the elephants. So that's exactly what we're gonna attempt to do right now. Let's check it out. So here's our elephants, and we got the tickets, so we will ride one. And I'm super pumped about this. This is very unique because riding elephants was the way that, you know, royals and the rich people and Southeast Asia and Asia would get around. So to get that authentic experience here in one of the ancient places in Thailand is so unique. There's the big boys getting fed by some tourists there, and we are awaiting our turn right here, the landing dock. Okay, guys, so we are riding on the elephant. Man, this thing is... Oh, right here? Ah, like, This is a surreal experience. Look at this. Oh man. It's quite unique. Never thought I would ride an elephant. Well, here I am. Ooh. My, he's a big boy. But it definitely, fuck, this is so cool. I think behind us rides Ben. Ben, say hi. We're going by the familiar places. Here's the Fra Ram. So this is kind of neat because you can sort of imagine yourself as one of these royalty class people that would get up here on an elephant to perhaps watch a Buddhist celebration or for a coronation. This is exactly how you would arrive, on the back of one of these beautiful elephants. As you can see, there's people stopping by and taking photos as we walk through. You can see, oh, the elephant is making his elephant noises. Hey guys. Wow, this is surreal. This is very cool. Wow. Looks like our driver is very good at this. He's just guiding the elephant with his legs, really. So he's pushing on one ear or the other, and I think that sort of tells the elephant where to turn. But look at this road right here. I think maybe elephants had something to do with stomping it around. This is where we saw the golden Buddha, the gigantic Buddha, and there's the royal temple. It's right there. Man, I couldn't imagine that I would be seeing it again on an elephant. Well, this has definitely made things authentic. I mean, literally on the back of the elephant. It's kind of strange because you're supposed to place your feet, as you can see, sort of place your feet on the elephant itself, and you sort of tuck them in, and it's just so strange because you can feel the animal move. Oh my! Oh, we're backing up. Yeah, you can feel the animal move as you go on. Oh, look at these! They're posing for the photo. Yeah, look at that. See, this is how they control them. It seems to work. Oh, it looks like this animal got hurt there. Let's be very careful not to disturb that. Looks like something ripped. There's Ben. Ben, where are you going to conquer?
Rome.
You can see people are taking photos. And you get a chance to just chill here with these beautiful animals. Like I said, it's interesting because like when you have your feet there, you can sort of feel the animal's shoulder blades move up and down. It's quite a... Definitely feel pretty close to the animal. Not so bad. Right in front of us are two beautifully dressed ladies, and as you can see, they're sort of dressed in the historical clothes. So this is probably as close as it would get to imagining what life would have looked like here, you know, 300-400 years ago, when people wore different clothes, they traveled in different ways and lived in different places. So, oh wow, whoa, oh man, this is, this is the real thing. All right, I think we're almost back. I can see the finish line. Well, I gotta say, it was a very cool experience. I hope this doesn't hurt the animal, but I mean, it seems like elephants been doing this for many hundreds of years, helping people travel, so I'm not too worried about that. There you go. We're almost back.